Hey folks, welcome back with Cooking with Kevin. Not really doing a whole lot of cooking.
No, he's just doing a lot of pointing the knife.
we have a potluck tomorrow at church, so we're just making some sandwiches. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, but we're going to chat a little bit about your show.
Oh, my show.
And
Yeah.
what's happening in the next few weeks. To your show.
Yeah. I need this. Sorry. Yeah, this will be the last show for a bit. I'm going in for surgery. Actually, by the time you see it, when are we airing this video?
Thursday.
So by the time you see this video on Thursday, I'm going to be in the operating room. Yeah.
So, but I am going to do the progress of his surgery and recovery and all that stuff. So he'll still be around.
Yeah.
And you're going to start cooking as soon as you feel up to it.
Yeah. Should I put 2 pieces on each?
Sure.
Is that what we did last time?
I don't know. Put 2. If we run out, we can make some tuna.
Oh. I need mustard.
I put it on the counter beside you.
Oh.
So, and yeah, this show is a little late just because. Actually, no. You know what? I'll put this show up right away tonight because you weren't around on Thursday, so I'll put this show up right away.
Yeah.
And
we just doing halves.
I don't care what you do.
That's good because it's my show.
Yeah, so you plan on coming back cooking as soon as you
As soon
feel
as
like
I
it.
can. Yeah.
Yeah. So, what kind of sandwiches are you making?
Ham.
And
Chicken breast.
gotcha. Yeah. What? Oh, so today I spent the day at the church for a ladies' one-day retreat. We had so much fun. So the day started out.
That is funny. I had a lot of fun too. Because you weren't home.
Oh, you're a jerk.
Yeah.
So, we did like a continental breakfast, which I took my breakfast because I had to be there earlier. And then we did, we had a guest speaker, we did crafts, we did games, had a nice lunch. I made the bean soup. There was a couple other soups there as well. We had about 37 women. So, and while I was out playing with all the ladies, what were you doing?
Having a peaceful day.
They can probably see the mess on the counter beside you.
Well, yeah. Yeah, there's some stuff in the counter. I got started Christmas decorating.
Yeah, he's been decorating.
Gotta get it done before I go for surgery.
So later this week there will be a video of how he decorated. I've decorated the Christmas tree. That's all I've done. I love it once the decorations are up. I just don't like doing it.
Please explain me in the last 30 years when you've done it.
When we were first married, when it was just the 2 of us. Yeah, that's about when. I have a really good job, don't I? Just buttering the bread. Oh boy. So, are you nervous about the surgery?
No idea. Try not to think about it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, really.
Okay. Thought maybe you would tell us how you felt.
Nope.
All right. It's fine.
Just try not to think about it.
I get you. He's gonna be fine. He's gonna be a jerk again. In about 2 months, life will be back to normal.
Okay, Brody, you were gonna get.
But I know he's gonna be at the jerkiest jerk once he comes out of the surgery and in pain. Don't you?
I don't know.
Yes, you are. I hope I get something really good on camera when you're coming out of anesthetic. I do.
Well, you are at the hospital. You could catch something. Cold, flu.
Jackasses. So, that's what's happening. So you'll see him, but he won't be doing his shows.
Oh, could be a show, all right.
Yeah, it'll be quite humorous. Shall I tell him about the first time you ever had surgery? First knee surgery. We're at the hospital in Trenton. And he's so nervous because he hadn't had surgery since he was little. And he's prepped as far as his IV and stuff, and he's just sitting on his bed waiting. But he's so nervous that he starts treating me like a piece of garbage. And I warned him. I said, if you don't stop, I'm going to leave. And I'll pick you up when you're done. And he didn't stop. So I said, see you later. And I went out and walked around for a few minutes, came back, and I said, are you done? He goes, I'm just nervous. Yep. So.
Listen, folks, you tried being married to that for 30 years.
Oh, yeah. Anyways. So I think that's about it. And this is the sandwiches that he's making. Nothing fancy.
Yep.
So you'll see them when you wake up from surgery. Sounds good?
See what? Oh, see me.
Yeah. So I'm going to say good night, goodbye, and see you later.
Good night. Bye. See you later. Hasta la vista.
He goes in for surgery. His surgery is scheduled for 7:30 a.m. Central Time. So that's when the big prayers need to be. All right. We will catch you later this week.
See ya.